Stop wasting time on manual CAD file translations. Start using the CAD Translator to manage all the languages your drawings need, right inside your plugin. Powered by state-of-the-art AI, it translates virtually any language you can think of in seconds directly into your drawing. Use your existing translations or create new ones. Start saving valuable time. Import your CAD data into the database. Choose what to import. No more manual selection, no more wasted effort. Finally, translate your complete CAD files into virtually any language imaginable in just seconds. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the CAD Translator.